welcome back to Kameru, a channel where we'll explore art. So without wasting any moment, let's get started. First of all, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. So today I'm going to use Fevicryl molded clay which costed me 25 rupees and these small magnets of almost 5 rupees each. One pack was sufficient to make 2 magnets. So this packet consists of 2 compounds and both of them will help us to make our today's home decor DIY, that is, as you have read the title, fridge magnets. These are cute and super duper easy to make. Do watch it till the end. First, I'll mix these 2 compounds very nicely with one another. Knead it properly and make a soft dough. Sprinkle some talcum powder so that the clay doesn't stick to your hand or your work surface. Let's move towards the molding part. At first, I'll take half of the dough and flatten it just like a roti. You can use a pen, pencil or any other tool to roll it flat. I will then use little bit of water to give it a shape of proper circle. Then I will cut the circle in halves and again shape it properly by using water. Stick the magnets using Fevicol and press a bit. Keep it aside and let it dry completely. Yay! Our first fridge magnet base is ready. For the second one, I'll again take a part of the dough and mold it in a circle. We are going to make mango here. So for this, I will flatten one side just like this, and on the top part using a toothpick, you can also use a pen. I'll create vertical and horizontal lines to make it look as a part of the mango whose surface is cut in small squares.
Just like the picture of mango we see on a slice bottle.
Okay, so this one is done. Take another small part and shape it as a full mango. Mold it and shape the clay using talcum powder and little bit of water. Stick both of them together using Fevicol. I will add a fruit stalk and leaf as well and attach them using Fevicol. Let it dry completely, otherwise they will look deformed. They become hard as a rock after drying, so you'll get to know when they dry. Keep these for almost a day so that they dry completely. Aren't these super easy to make? Moving towards the third one. Again, I will roll it flat and make a roti. Then I will cut it in a triangle because I want to make the base of an ice cream. Yum yum! I will use a toothpick and create the texture we see on an ice cream cone, which is diagonal lines. Time to add some ice cream scoops, adding 3 scoops here. Sticking them together using Fevicol. Well, I also added a waffle stick at top. Stick a magnet and tada! It's done. Keep it aside and let it dry completely. Okay, a last one. Kneading molding work is about to end, my dear friends. This one is the most easiest one. Roll it flat and shape it using water. Lastly, stick a magnet.
Woohoo! So there they are, all dried up and almost hard as rock. Well, they took almost a day to dry.
Okay, moving towards the painting and making our magnets attractive. Yay! Again, using acrylic paints. So first, I applied white acrylic paint to the base. You can also use gesso. Starting with the ice cream. Painting the cone with light brown color which I made by mixing red, yellow, white and little of blue acrylic paint. I will highlight the diagonal lines with dark brown color. Now the scoops. Woohoo!
Didi, I want a mix ice cream with 1 scoop of strawberry, 1 of mango and 1 of vanilla. I also want chocolate syrup on them and a waffle at the top. Thank you.
There you are. For the ice cream, I will pay attention to the detailing. Will border the chocolate drippings with black. So cute. Watermelon coming up. Yes, painting watermelon on one of the semicircles. Will apply red on top and green at the bottom. I will try to keep this simple because simple can also be cute. Adding the seeds using black acrylic paint. Done already, so easy. इसी से इंस्पिरेशन लेके I will paint lemon on the second semicircle. We'll use light yellow acrylic paint for this. I will also add some highlights with medium yellow and at last border both of them with black acrylic paint. Super adorable, look at them. Here comes the mango. The easiest of all. Painting it with yellow and orange shading and green at the top. Done, done, done. Well, I couldn't stop myself from modeling the clay, so molded a small square as well. Gonna paint cactus on it. Don't know why, but I wanted to paint it. We'll apply the base colors and then, not yet done, detailing and highlights बचे हैं यार. बेस कलर के डार्क शेड से मैं आउटलाइन और हाइलाइटिंग करूँगी. And then I will paint a dark brown border to make it look as a cute photo frame. Weren't they super easy to make? You all also try it. Do share it with me on Instagram. I would love to see them. Like the video if you loved these magnets. Share it with at least one friend and comment करके भी ज़रूर बताना आपको वीडियो कैसा लगा. It really inspires me. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, किसका वेट कर रहे हो यार? Do it right away. Thank you so much.